Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back to Fat Cat Collections. And I just wanted to come back and share with you guys another watch in case you missed it the other day. And I'm going to label this or head this under just a different search string. So if you guys subscribe to my channel, fantastic. If you've seen this one already and you don't want to watch it again, just disregard. But I think it's always great to get another take on a product that I received recently. And one product that I received is a watch by the company called DeltaT. And if you're unfamiliar with DeltaT, you got to check them out. They're making some really awesome watches. And it seems like the last 3 or 4 watches they've come out with have just been along the lines of that big, chunky, masculine dive style watch. And a lot of folks who have watched my channel have said that this is one of the nicest watches that I've reviewed. Again, that always comes down to personal preference and to taste, of course, but they do make an exceptional product. And I believe when I reviewed this watch last time, I did not have it on one of the options as far as the straps that it came with. I've had it on, I believe, the rubber strap. And so today, I want to just come back to it, share it with you guys again with the canvas strap, which I think gives it a much different look than when I previously reviewed it. So what about DeltaT? DeltaT, like I said, makes, for the most part, automatic dive watches powered by either Seiko or Miyota movements. Now, they don't have a huge lineup in their collection. They probably have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different styles. A lot of the ones they make are limited edition, so once they're gone, they're gone. And so they definitely have some unique designs. And the one I want to talk about today is their newest design as of 2018, and this one's called the Heavy Armor. I just want to go ahead and show you guys that real quick here. Hopefully we're focusing in properly here. We'll find out, I guess, when I upload this video. And this is done on, of course, a canvas strap, which is that two-tone green, tan, and almost like a really light gray color. Very, very different than anything else I've worn before. And it has a all stainless steel case, of course, a helium release valve, and I'm going to go ahead and take it off so I can just show you guys just some of the features and why they call it the Heavy Armor. And I think that just that original, or that just me showing you that right then and there kind of gives you an idea of why they call it the Heavy Armor. It's a thick, chunky, again, not like if you're used to wearing your INVICTA watches or Aragons, this is not you know, as large as those, of course, but it's still a pretty big watch. And I'll tell you the specs on here in just a second here, since we're talking about that. Specs on here are, you have a 49 millimeter lug to lug and 44 diameter measurement at the bezel, unidirectional rotating bezel, and of course day of the month, and plenty of lume on the markers there. And this is powered by the automatic Miyota movement. I'll tell you what that is in just a second. See that beautiful canvas strap, very, very well made, very durable, genuine leather on the back of the strap. Got your case back with the DeltaT logo. And of course your screw down crown, and they've taken that theme of green onto the crown as well. Now this one is available in several different colors. You can get it in red face, yellow, green, or blue, or in those same faces with the black DLC coated case. I originally requested the blue, and I'm really glad they sent the green because I don't have anything like this in my collection. And I love the fact that the green strap with the green face, it really makes for almost like something, I could almost see myself wearing this like going golfing or out to like a dinner on the green or something like that. I guess because of the green, it just reminds me of a golf course. But it's pretty cool. Money green. I mean, it's not really money green, but you guys know what I'm talking about there. And why they call it the Heavy Armor is that you have these armor plates on top. And so depending on which kit you get, and you can add more kits, you can get different colors. I opted for the double kit, which gives you this split. See that split part of it right there? I'll kind of point to it in a second here. I get a little tool here. So these bezel plates, each one of these unscrews, and you can customize this how you want. So these ones here, see how the green is split? You get ones that are one piece, and you get ones with the numbers that actually have the green behind it. I opted to go with this one. I like the way it looked. And it's pretty cool. You put those plates on, and you can get different colors. You get the red, blue, green, or yellow, and customize this watch how you want. kind of an innovative, interesting design just to be able to change the way the watch looks. It'd be kind of interesting if you had this watch with, you know, if you had the different plates and you want to go ahead and say, okay, well today I want to wear a red band, and you put the red plates in. But the only thing I have to say about that, and this would be kind of just some constructive criticism, not you know, with DeltaT, I think that would be a great addition to this watch is if they made it in a neutral colored face as well, black or white or silver. Then if somebody wanted to go ahead and say, and then it could sell bands as well and say, hey, if somebody wants to wear it red today, you can accessorize the bezel with some red and then match in the band or blue or whatever color you want. So it'd be kind of a nice way to actually be able to accessorize the watch more, and that might be something maybe they'll do at a later date. But nonetheless, I kind of want to get my hands on a few more plates because I like things unique and different, and I really like to be able to put several different colors on here. I think it would look pretty cool. As far as specifics, again, 316L stainless steel, luminous hour, minute hands, and hacking seconds. This one is powered by a, where are you there? A Seiko automatic NH35. Manual and manual unwinding. If you're unfamiliar with a Seiko NH35, it's a fantastic automatic movement. 24 joules, 21,600 vibrations per hour, and a 41-hour power reserve. Case thickness, I forgot to mention, is 16.5 millimeters in case thickness. Definitely an interesting, unique, and cool watch. And if you haven't checked out their other watches, I did a review in the past of the NBS. That I think is their most unique watch yet. Looks like a reactor. Very, very cool. It's available in bronze. And the Umi that I did the other day. And that one's cool too. Just all black tactical. I'm actually going to order a black mesh band for it because I would like to put that on, you know, you guys know I'm more of a bracelet style watch guy, but nonetheless, DeltaT, their quality is fantastic in the way they attach their bands. It's all hex screws on there, real thick. There's no push pins that are going to pop out. Very, very durable and very, very well constructed. So let's give you a shot of what it looks like on the wrist here. Again, 7-inch wrist. I'm about 165 pounds, 5'7". Not that the height really matters all that much, but you get an idea what it's going to look like on a wrist my size, on a guy my height and my weight. Now, a lot of guys say, and I just want to touch base on this, totally you guys know I got to ramble on a little bit off the subject. Some guys say, you know, and I call them the snobs, the watch haters, you know, and those guys are the ones who always say, they always get something negative to say. So some guys are like, oh, well, you know, you're not a big guy, so, you know, you shouldn't wear a watch. Big watches are meant for big guys. No, not at all, you know. And just because people wear a big watch or like the style doesn't mean you can wear whatever you want, folks. Whatever you want to wear, you can wear. That's what we can do as adults because we don't answer to anybody. We're not little children. Just saying. But anyway, that's my review again of the DeltaT heavy armor. Definitely check out their website. I will always put links to all this stuff in the description. Awesome watch. I gotta tell you, I wouldn't mind having it in red also. I really like the way the red looks with the red and black. I mean, it's just a really dark looking watch. Pretty cool. Alright guys, thanks again for watching. If you like the channel, subscribe. Remember to click the bell to be notified anytime I upload a new video. And if you like this video, go ahead and click like. If you don't like it, don't click dislike. That button's not available anymore. Alright guys, have a great day. Take care.